guys, so today, we're gonna see how long my friend takes to solve 3 Rubik's Cubes. Max?
Okay, so
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell,
and like button.
and the like button.
And leave a comment if you want us to do it again. So let's start. Ready?
And go.
Guys, count. I know you guys want to count.
If you guys count, it's fine.
It takes me like a minute to solve at least one of them.
So probably about 3 minutes.
For you?
For you.
No.
It takes me like 20 to solve one Rubik's Cube.
Well, that's more than like you solving. I can solve like so many with you solving just one. Right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm almost done. I'm like
The Flash.
no, not the Flash. People can solve it for like 2 seconds.
4 seconds. Aiden can solve it in 4 seconds.
Aiden?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Yeah, he can. I timed him.
He cheated then.
Nope.
I know. Aiden?
Yep.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
2 more Rubik's Cubes left.
How do you know that? You saw him?
I timed him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. My mom timed him too. If
He
she was
didn't.
here, you could ask her.
I know he was here, but no. Are you sure he messed it up?
I'm sure.
How long? 2 minutes?
No, 4 seconds.
No. At our camp, he only could solve it for 2 minutes.
And he also solved it in 1 minute 40 seconds.
That's his world record?
No, 4 seconds is his world record.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm kidding. Twisted corners.
Oh, that's why?
That's why I had to trash my other Rubik's Cube.
He twisted corners?
Yep.
He's such a cheater.
Alright, so
I saw it for real.
this is the 2nd minute. And 2 minutes and 50 seconds starting now.
What the heck?
Oh, by the way, the black is the yellow, if you haven't realized that.
What the heck? Did you flip a corner?
Yeah, I did, but I couldn't figure out which one to flip back. So I flipped the corner. My bad. So he wasn't cheating. Yeah, I flipped all the corners, basically. If you see any corners that are misplaced, then you can just flip them back. Because I definitely flipped a lot of corners.
Why?
Just because. Well, actually, it wasn't me. It was my sister.
Why?
I don't know.
That really messes me up a lot. Like, literally, flipping corners is so bad. It messes you up a lot. That like wasted a lot of my time.
Okay, you have 3 minutes, and you're in the 2nd cube. I didn't flip any corners on that. That one's brand new.
Eden Chiquita.
That Rubik's Cube is
Oh, it's
new.
bad.
So it's new though. So no corners are flipped.
Glad. I'm almost done, seriously.
Look at
Good.
this.
Okay.
One day you're gonna set the world record.
The world record is 1 second. For a robot. That's what a robot did.
Yeah, I have the book about it.
He solved it in 1 second. That's the world record, but he's a robot. took a little while, but it was okay. And hopefully you hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll make another video. And let's set a goal for at least 3 likes. I think we can hit that. And see you guys later. Bye.